You know what? Nexus have the way of making people smile and also a way of making people understand whatsoever they are paying for in their shop. So today I will be showing you Nexus 340D refrigerator. That is the model number. The refrigerator that comes with water dispenser and the freezer down and the fridge up. And if you check, look here. So this is the compartment for the water inline. This is water inlet. This is where you fill the water. It's about 2 liter. 2 liter. This is the water tank. Water goes from here to here. Why you take it from here? So this is called Nexus fridge bottom freezer with water dispenser. So with this, with the help of this, children does not really need to be opening fridge and clothes. And you know the constant opening of freezer and fridge helps the ice in there to defrost quick. So you fetch your cold water, chilled water from here, collect it from here, just push, collect your water, push, collect your water. So that's how it is. This is Nexus fridge and bottom freezer, and also it's energy saving and eco-friendly. It adapts to any environment it finds itself. Then check, it's energy saving and also quiet operation. All Nexus products can function with any current and also with any voltage, and any generator can pick it as well, ranging from 2.5 kVA upwards, and the price is very affordable. So rush down to Obiokwe Showroom, Port Harcourt, number 115 Umobia by Expressway Odaba Road to get yours. Peace out.